This is C.V. Misra, your English teacher. Today we are going to read poem entitled Chivi. Chivi in dictionary means to tell someone to do something repeatedly. This poem is composed by Michael Rosen. He was born on 7th May 1946 at Harrow, United Kingdom. He is the children's novelist and poet in the English language. He served as children's laureate, a political communist. He contributed for children's fiction and poetry. The poem presents the contradictory behavior of the parents and other elders who scold children for their wrongdoings or behavior. They often talk about, don't, and expect children to be positive and optimistic. However, the norms to make civilized and cultured individuals often restrict the natural tendencies of the children. The aim of the poet is not to preach, but to check the rude behavior of adults. Let's have a look on the poem. Grown up say things like speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose, sit up, say please, less noise, shut the door behind you, don't drag your feet, haven't you got a hanky? Take your hands out of your pockets, pull your socks up, stand up straight, say thank you, don't interrupt, no one thinks you are funny. Take your elbows off the table. Can't you make your own mind up about anything? The poet discusses that parents or elders don't want the children to stare at a point or pick their nose, as these are considered as bad manners. They behave as dictators. They decide how to sit, shut the door behind, not to drag feet, not to put hands in the pocket, not to interrupt, and to take off elbows from the table. They want a child to exhibit pleasing gestures like saying please, thank you, and practice good behaviors. The essence of the poem is the grown-ups or the adults always wants to impose their decisions on the youngsters and expect more from them, and this results in hindering their natural tendency. The poet leaves a question to elders: why can't they keep their suggestions to themselves? Thank you.